gonna be like,
I've seen this BMW before. What's up, you guys? It's that one Roush, and today I am at Streets of Japan Car Meet hosted by Shinku Classic. I know my voice sounds terrible. I want to say I'm losing my voice in the short throat. I just seen my subscriber list jump to 100. I really do appreciate y'all supporting this channel. Even though it's small, I got a lot of plans for this channel. I got Dylan making me a badass montage for 100 subscribers. Definitely got to see this shit. It's gonna be live. I'm gonna show y'all a video of all the cars that are here. They got some badass cars here right now. Stay tuned. There's a Supra. God. The good thing is that this meet is well controlled. Everybody's really calm. Everybody's chilling. There are some badass cars here. There's a couple cars from Initial D. You might have not heard of it, but look it up. It's like an old school, like Tokyo / Japan TV show. It's like street racing. And there are some of them right here. Look. Anything JDM, AE86s, Silvias, 240s, 300s, GTR'S, Supras, all are here. They're all here. You can't go wrong with JDM at all. You just can't. And there's not just one, not two, but 3 R34s, as y'all know them as Godzillas. And they're here. Look at this. What's up? Oh, shit. God damn. Rotary, it's clean, man. this S2K, this really sucks. It's raining. Oh no, dude. I feel so bad. He put up his top, thank God. It didn't get too wet, but he put it up. Good, good. That was the Miata that was shooting flames at the last meet I went to. That thing shoots massive flames. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I actually like this truck. Like, I'm so serious. I fuck with this truck.
We put everyone in the back.
There's only a handful of V8s. I'm not the only one. I finally don't feel alone at a JDM meet.
What we do here is go back.
This meet turned out really good. It was really controlled. Like, bunch of JDM cars. There was a handful I've never really seen before. But until then, stay tuned for more videos. Hunter, what do you want to show me today?
I'm gonna show you my car, bro.
All right, bro. What you got?
I got it's not a piece of shit. I promise.
Okay.
Right? It's my new Nissan.
Okay.
Right? It runs on Flintstone power.
All right. What's? Oh.
See, we don't believe in motors in my house.
Okay.
We believe in foot power, not horsepower.
Okay.
We got mad weight reduction. Don't be impressed. I go fast as fuck. All right. So what you gotta do is you gotta stick your foot through that hole. You know,
that hole right there.
That's normally where you would put a gear shifter, but then you know that's where you put the foot power.
Okay.
You gotta put your foot in there and you gotta fucking pedal like a motherfucker. Call me Fred Flintstone.
Okay. She go fast?
Fast as your feet can go.
Okay.
Usain Bolt.
All right. What we got in the back here? What we got?
Maximum weight reduction. You know, got some drift lube in here. It's not oil.
Some drift lube?
Not oil. I promise you, man. Drift lube. You gotta warm the feet up, keep them lubed up so they don't get stuck.
Damn.
Piece of shit.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time.